If you're someone who is looking for free content and everything at one place, then this video is for you. Now you could be just going through DSA concepts, you could be preparing for a particular company, you could be doing competitive programming or literally anything. You could be learning Java, Python, C++, anything. You want everything at one place and everything for free. Then yes, today we'll be going through a platform that provides all of this for free. Yes, we are talking about Code Studio by Coding Ninjas, and yes, it's all free. At least just check it out. Maybe this is exactly the thing that you were looking for. Let's just go through the entire thing in detail, shall we? One thing that I think all the students today definitely need is guided paths, because there's too much information available. So here you have guided paths for product-based companies, for DSA, competitive programming, PBMS, basics of C++, basics of Java, Python, JavaScript, operating system, aptitude preparation, fundamentals of HTML, Node, React Native, React. Literally you can see everything, and you can see the number of problems also, and you can see the number of points that you will get. You can earn certification and how much time you're going to take to complete it. You know the prerequisites also for all the courses. So this, I think everyone will agree that this is very extensive and very well structured, even for system design, blockchain, machine learning, data science, literally any topic that you can think of, Flutter, top 150 interview, puzzles, computer networks. So everything is available and it is so structured. I really like how you will get certificate. You know how much time you're going to take. You know the prerequisites that you're going to need. Everything is mentioned very clearly, right? But if you are someone who doesn't need guided paths, you can check out the interview problems over here. So on other platforms, it might happen that, few things of it is paid. Like for example, maybe company wise it is not there, or difficulty level is not there, or all the topics are not present. But here you can see all the topics are present, and there is filtering of difficulty level, of company level, and all the questions are present over here. So you can sort them also by upvotes and everything. And there are advanced algorithms, there are data structures, programming fundamentals, math and number theory. So everything is available by topics and all the filters are present. For those who enjoy reading articles about upcoming tech, about programming languages, they have a library also. And again, you can see the number of categories that are present. You can choose your topic and you can read through programming fundamentals, aptitude, web tech. Again, everything is very well structured over here. Also, if you're preparing for some specific companies, then it does make sense to do some company specific preparation, because some companies will ask a particular type of questions. They will have some difficulty level set up. So it really helps to go through the interview experiences of previous candidates. So it prepares you mentally about what is coming up, and you can strategize a preparation also accordingly. So you can see experiences of popular companies over here from Amazon, Samsung, Microsoft, Goldman Sachs. And again, there are filters available. Then you can even filter by role. So if you are SSE, if you are database administrator, if you are big data analyst, this I have seen in very less platforms. So I would definitely recommend this. They are also by location, by company type, by interview location, by experience level. So you can actually filter out the experiences based on exactly the experience that you are going to have and read the article accordingly. So it's going to save you a lot of time. And also you can sort by the number of views, upvotes, and you can see how recent it is so that you don't miss any article. Also, if you are someone who follows particular sheet, like for example, if you are following 𝗵𝗲𝗍𝐴's DSA sheet problems or Nishant's sheet problems, then you can see the problem list over here and you can find the solutions accordingly. Then top maths and number theory questions are available, top 100 SQL questions are available. So everything is very well structured. Even Stiver's sheets problems are also there, top 100 graph interview questions. And even these lists, you can view them like lists by experts, company wise, topic wise. So you have everything very well structured. Let's look at the community part. It's very interesting how they have college-wise concept also. Like if you belong to a particular college, you can have a community accordingly. And there are some benefits also of building connections, right? Obviously. And there are also public discussions happening. So People can ask questions over here, people can talk about solutions or anything. And you can also invite your friends to the community, or you can actually form online friends over here. This is so interesting. See, you are doing similar questions with so many people. Maybe you can push each other, you can help each other solve doubts. It's always great when you're working in a group, when you're working in a community, than when you're doing it alone. It can be much more interesting when you are part of a community. So if this is something that interests you, check out the link in the description, and also let me know in the comments which part of this excites you the most, because there's just so much that they offer, from guided paths to SDE sheet to having so much structured content available. I know I have said structured too many times in the video, but it really is so structured. I don't know, it's amazing. So let me know in the comments about what you think, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It will mean so much to me. Thank you.